The first sun bear cub to be born in the UK has emerged from her den at the Chester Zoo. And here you see her exploring the outdoor enclosure with her mother by her side. The Chester Zoo shared this video of the tiny cub, saying she's still somewhat wobbly on her legs, but it won't be long until mom really has her paws full. The little one doesn't have a name yet. The cub's parents, Millie and Tony, are the first adult sun bears to have lived in the zoo since 1976 and have been residents there since 2015. Both bears were rescued as cubs from poachers in Cambodia.